Good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishvendra, and today I'm going to discuss a worksheet on magnetic flux. So let's begin with the worksheet. So here is the worksheet that phi is equals to B dot S. So it is Bs cos theta, where theta is the angle between magnetic field and area vector. Next is graph of magnitude of magnetic flux versus theta. So we have taken the magnitude as positive and negative, just means direction outward or inward the plane. So flux is basically related to the number of field lines, or the magnitude itself only significant. Plus and minus is just about the direction. So magnitude of flux versus theta graph will be like this. Next is condition for maximum flux. So flux is maximum when theta is equals to 0, and maximum value of flux is B into S. Next is minimum flux. So minimum flux is at theta is equal to 90 and its magnitude is 0. Next is vector B is B1I plus B2J plus B3K. S vector is S1I, S2J, S3K. So the magnitude of magnetic field is root under B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Magnitude of area is root under S1 square, S2 square, S3 square. Next is B dot S is, using the dot product rule, we have B1 S1 plus B2 S2 plus B3 S3. Next is flux. So flux is equals to B dot S. So it will be B1 S1 plus B2 S2 plus B3 S3. Next is we are being given a rectangle in XY plane and magnetic field is B1I plus B2J plus B3K. The first question is we need to find magnitude of magnetic field. So that will be root under B1 square plus B2 square plus B3 square. Then we need to find area vector. So area vector is perpendicular to the plane and it is along outward normal. So that will be having a magnitude of 3 into 2, 6 meter square, and outside the plane that will be along k cap. Next is B dot S. So B dot S will be 6B3, as I and J component will be contribute to no flux. Next is find magnitude of flux. So that will be 6 times magnitude of B3. Next is dimension of flux. So flux is B into S. So B here is F upon QB. So after solving the questions, we have magnetic flux as ml2 T minus 2 I minus 1. Next is SI unit of flux. So that is Weber or Tesla meter square. Next is magnetic field is 10I minus 20J plus 30K. Area vector is 2I plus 3J plus 4K. We need to find magnitude of magnetic field. So that is root under 10 square plus 20 square plus 30 square. And after solving we get 10 root 14. Next is find magnitude of area vector. So that will be 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. That will be root 29. Next is B dot S. So B dot S is 20 minus 60 plus 120. That will be 80 Weber. Next is find magnitude of flux. That will again be 80 Weber. Next question is flux is T square plus 3T plus 2. We need to find flux at T is equal to 0. So substituting T is equal to 0, we have flux as 2. Next is flux at T is equal to 2. Substituting values, we have 12 Weber. So in this way you have seen that we have developed these physics worksheets so as to optimize your thinking process, your mind brain system as per the requirements of the exam. As you must be knowing that any competitive exam like JEE or NEET, it is based on psychologically designed mental patterns, and you can crack these exams only if your mind brain system is optimized as per the requirements of the exam. So generally what happen is a student uh, he study in a random and zigzag way. He think that studying is just about transferring information from the books, but that is the very fundamental process. It's a level 1 process. Suppose you are studying a chapter or a particular topic, then within a limited time you have to fetch the neural patterns associated with that particular topic. And if you are able to fetch that neural pattern, then you need to practice that again and again. It's a sort of artificial or induced sort of learning. So it's a bit painful but more productive. Just ask yourself, if you are studying, that what you studied during the last hour and what is the output concerned with that. So you can check yourself that whether what you studied is any relevant, is having any relevance as per the exam is concerned. Because at this time there is a lot of distraction everywhere. There are news, there are negative vibes, there are things which will deviate you, which will disturb you emotionally, so you just lose the focus. So the game here is to choose a working pattern that makes your working distraction free, and you are continuously sticking to that, you can say that emotional state which is the most productive. Because today's challenge is distraction. The very first challenge that student faces, they are not able to focus on studies. They are in the classroom physically, but mentally their mind is somewhere else. So there is no coordination between the mind and brain. So that sort of study is never going to yield any result. And second thing is also that you just think frankly about your background, your financial condition, the condition of your parents. Because if there is some backup, then you don't need to worry on that. You have some advantage, you are born with a silver spoon, so just enjoy life in your own way. Then studying is just a time pass thing for you. But if you don't have any other option, you don't have any backup, you don't have any support from the parents, and you have to do things on your own, then if you do something on your own, then to fetch that money, you have to earn that yourself, and for that you need to have certain skills. And studying itself is just a skill. Just take that as a work, take that as a skill. So if you want to study and want to use that study to earn you something, earn you name, fame and money, then that study should have some quality. And how to check that you are studying effectively or not? Obviously you can't check that yourself. You need somebody who is better than you, who can check you out that what quality you have got. So these worksheets are just a sort of, you can say that, optimization tool, which are just made to check your learning, obviously level wise. So these are the level 1 worksheets, and gradually we'll upload higher level worksheets, so as to make sure that up to what level you are comfortable, up to what level you have learned. So the worksheets are just optimization tool to make sure that you are learning as per the requirements of exams, and not just trapped in thoughts, emotions, illusions, or any belief system which is non-productive. Thank you and have a nice day.